I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete YouTube videos you've downloaded to your mobile device for offline viewing. Step 1. Open the YouTube mobile app and then tap You in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Swipe down this menu and then tap Downloads. You'll see all of the YouTube videos you've downloaded to this device for offline viewing. Step 3. Find the downloaded YouTube video that you want to delete and then tap the ellipses associated with that video. Step 4. Tap Delete from Downloads in the menu that opens. That downloaded YouTube video will be removed from this device immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.